Introducing Process Lens, the cutting-edge 5D inline SPI system that delivers unmatched speed and precision. Designed to measure crucial elements like solder paste deposits, glue, contamination, dust and more, all without interference noise from the circuit board. With its advanced and smart algorithms, the process lens accurately interprets the measurement results and can easily be extended to a self-learning expert system for fully automated printing process optimization. The process lens leverages cutting-edge technology for highly accurate and efficient measurements, surpassing traditional systems. It utilizes a digital light projector chip with individually controllable micromirrors, delivering unparalleled precision and speed in altering wire projection patterns. Here you have the choice between the cutting-edge process lens with a 30 by 30 mm scanning field and the even faster process lens HD with a larger 50 by 50 mm field. This makes the process lens HD operate up to 70% faster than traditional systems, but with an 80% reduction in false calls, all without compromising accuracy. In addition, the process lens HD offers two software-controlled measurement modes. With the same optics, users can select between high-speed mode, providing a 20 micrometers resolution for faster speed, and high-resolution mode, offering a 10 micrometers resolution for even greater accuracy. Delivering high-performance measurement starts with extremely precise motion positioning and optimized optical design. All process lens models are equipped with high-performance linear drives that deliver precise XYZ positioning, guaranteeing maximum accuracy. Combined 2D and 3D measurement processes, on-the-fly PCB warpage compensation, a high-resolution, large-area camera, and extremely powerful algorithms for analyzing the optical data. With the lowest false call rate in the industry, the process lens reliably detects and visualizes deviations in the volume, height, area, position and shape of solder paste deposits as well as board warpage. Multiple light sources ensure highly accurate, shadow-free measurement. For maximum throughput, the process lens is available in single and dual lane versions. Investment protection. With the optional Works optimization software, you can easily extend your 5D SPI later to the world's first self-learning inline expert system to optimize your printing process automatically. The Works optimization printing solution improves your printing process proactively with virtual prints, live optimization at the line and deck printer control, optionally fully autonomously with no operator assists. With its many interface standards, the process lens fits seamlessly into ASMPT's modular and vendor-independent automation for an intelligent factory. Best-in-class hardware combined with innovative software solutions ensure full integration in an intelligent factory, from machine level to line and factory level, up to enterprise level. Your benefit: the process lens high-end 5D SPI system offers more stable printing processes, higher throughput rates, significantly better yields, high investment protection and up to 70% more speed for your electronics production.